ஏதோ பண்ணாங்க, even I don't know. Now I should put desktop audio, no? Then only your voice will go.
எஸ்
Desktop audio.
இல்ல உங்க ஆடியோ போகணும்னா என்ன பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னா, தனியா வந்து இன்னொரு இது கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. ஆடியோ இன்புட் கேப்சர்னு ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கும்.
Audio input capture, okay.
ஓகே, அதை கிளிக் பண்ணி உங்க மைக்கை செலக்ட் பண்ணி அதை இது பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
Okay, அதுதான் last time I didn't get.
ம் ம் ம்
But even this one should I on and even this I should on, huh?
புரியல ப்ரோ. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு வாய்ஸ் வந்து யூடியூப்ல கேட்கும்.
கேட்குமா?
ஆமாமா, நீங்க வந்து அந்த மைக்கை நீங்க ஆன் பண்ணிக்கணும்.
சரி, I got your
ஓபிஎஸ்ல.
OBSல ஆன் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
ஓகே.
அதுதான் last time I didn't get. Then last time everyone was complaining your voice is not coming.
ஆக்சுவலி அப்புறம் நான் ரெண்டு சிஸ்டம் வச்சு நான் ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுவேன்.
Okay.
ஒரு சிஸ்டம் நான் இன்னொரு வந்து நீங்க ஹெட்ஃபோன் போட்டீங்கன்னா பிரச்சனை இருக்காது, எக்கோ ப்ராப்ளம் வராது.
Correct.
ஏன்னா வந்து நாங்க பேசுறது இது யூடியூப்ல கேட்கும், நீங்க பேசுறது யூடியூப்ல கேட்காது. மைக் தனியாக கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா கேட்கும். இப்போ ஓகே. லைவ் போயாச்சா? ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே.
big people admin இங்க இருக்காங்க.
உங்க கூட யார் இருக்கா? பக்கத்துல யார் இருக்காங்களா?
No one today, no one.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே.
My one of my brothers Bangalore is gone.
Okay.
My last brother is going Bali. So எல்லாமே பிஸியா இருக்காங்க.
Okay.
I myself occupied. பார்க்கலாம். எங்க போனாங்க? அவர்ஸ் பெங்களூர் ட்ரிப்.
ஆமா ப்ரோ, மாஸ் லைவா இருக்கு, இல்லைன்னா என்ன கூட சொல்லுவேன். ஓகே. ரொம்ப என் லைஃப்ல என்ஜாய் பண்ண ஒரு டேஸா இருந்துச்சு. ஏன்னா
that week was also very good. We had many people, all people with information here. Chennai we didn't, because Chennai there are more than 100 people, no? I'm a person. Bangalore, because we have 15-18 people, we had a good conversation.
Yes.
So that from that point of view it is very good.
Yes bro.
So I'm waiting for doctor sir. So once he comes, we'll discuss about pair trading.
Okay.
What is the future of it? His personal experience in pair trading. So that is only the old plan for this.
10:30 சொன்னீங்கல, அத ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி 10:30 க்கு வருவார்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Yes. He is on time now. But he should exit your channel and come. He's still there or exited?
Yes, பேசிட்டு தான் இருக்காரு, இங்க தான் இருக்காரு. ஆமா.
Remind him sir 10:30 going to.
நான் வந்து கண்ட்ரோல் அவங்க கிட்ட கொடுத்துட்டு நான் வந்துட்டேன், இல்லைன்னா என்னால வர முடியாது.
You gave to issue, huh?
என்ன ப்ரோ?
Who did you give control?
புரியல. ஐஷு.
Okay, so I'll invite my other pair trading people. So I have some people from north and all. So I want to invite them to this copy joining link. And, one guy, second guy, third guy. Fourth guy, fifth guy, sixth guy. Anybody else in market? Okay, Sajid. Hello brother, how are you?
Sir. Oh, Sajid, okay.
Hi Sajid, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yes, again, please let me know how do I spell your name? Sajal, Sejal. How do I spell your name?
It's Sajal.
Sajal. Okay, Sajal. Okay. Because I get confused. But very unique name, bro.
Yeah.
So Sajal, how is your trading going now?
Yeah, I have entered into Cub and Hdfc yesterday.
You have entered?
Cub and Hdfc first. Okay, right.
Okay. I will check that part. CUB and IDFC.
Hdfc first.
Okay, IDFC first. Okay, you have future set?
Yeah. Right.
So put one day. Super entry. Okay. But entry should be taken today as per my this. अभी ये शो देख सकते हो, Sajal?
Yeah.
No, you know to use this trading wheel, right?
Yes.
Okay. तो एक तो we at the top only. RSI भी इतना ऊपर आ गया. And
I entered yesterday only.
yes, but you should enter when RSI turns down. ये आज टर्न हुआ ना, कभी भी
हाँ,
टर्न होने के बाद एंटर करना,
ओके।
बिकॉज इफ इट कीप्स गोइंग अप ये ऊपर जाता जाएगा, इफ इट कीप्स गोइंग अप यहाँ पे ऐसे जाता जाएगा, सो इट शुड टर्न एंड इट शुड ब्रेक द 20 में येलो लाइन ब्रेक करना, दैट वे यू कैन
What about this
20
MA?
20 MA मूविंग एवरेज 20 डाला हूँ मैं।
Okay.
ओके तो इसमें इनबिल्ट आता है, सो आई चेंज इट टू ब्लू, देख नहीं पाओगे ना, तो ये जब 20 हमें तोड़ेगा ना तब एंटर करना,
Okay.
नहीं तो क्या फेक ट्रेड्स बहुत होते हैं, अभी देख लो लास्ट टाइम भी ऐसे यहाँ पे आया, बट वाई यू डिडंट
हाँ,
एंटर, दे उसके बाद देखो वो नीचे आया ही नहीं, सो इट्स अ वेरी फेक ट्रेड, तो कभी भी ऊपर से आज टर्न करके क्लोज होगा ना तब लेना, सो आई थिंक टर्न हो जाएगा मोस्टली, नहीं हुआ तो भी 1-2 दिन में हो जाएगा। दिस इज वन पैर, फिर अनदर पैर व्हिच वन यू हैड, टाटा स्टील राइट, we'll check Tata Steel and JSW. See Tata Steel, we are at the bottom, bottom के नीचे ही हम लोग, and you should enter when we cross 20 MA. Okay, so when you enter when it crosses 20 MA,
Okay.
when you enter when it crosses 20 MA, within 4-5 days our target will reach. कभी कभी क्या होता है यहाँ तक आके घूम जाएगा, 30 MA आके नीचे आ जाएगा। Okay, since मेरे पास कैपिटल है, मैं I can take 1000 pairs also. So I have some other calculations, so I enter using that. Ramesh sir, hi sir, how are you? Mr. Ramesh? Ramesh sir? I think he cannot use his mic. I'll just text him. Even Ramesh sir is doing full-time pair trading, Sajal. So even he is from one of our pair trading group. So even he is doing full-time.
Okay.
Okay. So when did you enter Tata Steel ka pair? I think you entered on 27th June.
I didn't enter. I just took it for paper. I didn't
Okay,
enter.
you just okay. What date you entered?
Cup and Hdfc first. Yesterday.
Okay. So this one pair we can look for tomorrow. So till now did you take any actual trades?
Yeah. I
So how much profit you have booked till now?
booked around 15-16.
Well, 15,600.
Yes.
Okay,
In a
so
first trade.
Tata Steel. Okay, so what is your experience, bro? Pair trading.
I'm new only. 1-2 months I would say.
Okay. But 1-2 months also, how do you like it? Because
Yeah,
I think you have been trading from more than 2 years. You are trading, right?
No, I'm trading overall. I've been trading from around 1 year.
1 year. So comparing other strategies, how do you feel, bro?
Yeah, it's very relieved because we don't have for intraday and others we have to take the entry very
Yes.
quickly, but we have sufficient time to analyze. We can even manage 3-4 trades at once.
Correct.
Don't have the capital for managing 3-4 trades,
Correct.
but we can easily manage it.
Yes. And how is the how is the downside? What do you feel about this?
Yeah, downside for that one went to around 25k only, but that because that was my first trade, I was little worried, but now I'm kind of habitual to that.
Correct.
I've seen many paper trades. I've seen your videos as well, and I've observed my own trades.
So
as well.
actually, I'm not able to find time to fully concentrate on pair trading because I have my actually I have full algo for all my setups. Okay, so I have some intraday strategies and I have algo for pair trading intraday. So I do Nifty, Bank Nifty. Daily 4,000, 5,000 rupees I can take it out. Okay, even that strategy I'll share in 5 minutes. Hi Nitin sir, how are you Nitin sir? Nitin sir.
Good morning, good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, Nitin sir. Good to have you here, sir. Nitin sir is actually in office, so I don't think he'll be able to talk. So Nitin sir wants to see Hdfc first. So he texted me about this.
Sir, I am in office actually.
Yeah, I know, no problem, sir. So I think Nitin sir is only asked this. Yes. So Nitin sir has also entered a CUB and IDFC first bank. So what I'll do is, if I usually don't enter these stocks. If I enter, when it crosses 20 MA and closes, I'll enter. So I'll enter 10 to 12 pairs, each pair 5,000 rupees. I'll make profit and I'll come out.
Okay. Now I am in 5,000 profit, so I will exit.
No, sir. You can hold profit, sir. But pairs which I usually don't do, I don't do it. Keep it for long time, sir. So I don't want to put my money for more than 1 or 2 days in these type of pairs. So whole idea behind this is which stocks I know I want to invest in this. Now Tata Steel I know I easily have more than 8 to 9 pairs. Tata Steel and JSW.
Okay, sir. JSW Steel and Tata Steel, I am in like almost 7,000 profit. Can I hold or exit?
You definitely hold, sir. First target should be this place, sir. This place will be around, I think you will be having 45 to 50,000 profit, sir. So once you get 45-50,000 profit, don't book it in sir. You buy options and hedge your profits. Always buy options and hedge your profits, sir. You understood my point, sir? Once you make 45-50,000 profit, buy options and hedge your profits. This is one part. Then
Okay, sir. Thank you.
yes. Also, I'll show Nifty and Bank Nifty intraday, guys. Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I'm multiplying by lot size. I use 5 minutes candle for intraday. So basically, what I do is sell at 70 close, buy at 30 close. So basically Nifty Bank Nifty we can do 5 minutes on RSI. So when it closes at 70, above 70 we can buy. We can go short in this pair and below 30 we have to go long in this pair. Okay, and our target is 5,000 or 30 MA. So यहाँ पे short गया, यहाँ पे buy करना है. Okay, then यहाँ पे short, यहाँ पे buy. यहाँ पे short, यहाँ पे buy. So this is short, this is buy somewhere. This is short, this is buy. So 5 minutes in Nifty Bank Nifty, RSI 70 में short, 30 में buy. Do you guys get it? So the target can be 5,000 or 30 RSI.
And what about SL?
No SL. Okay. So how will this work is you should have money for 3 pairs. I think 6 to 7 lakhs. And if you use hedge, you need only 3 lakhs. Okay. So if at all example यही पे ले लो, यहाँ पे लिए हम लोग close नहीं हुआ, you have to hold this pair. You have to start your next pair. Okay. So see, we have Ronaldo in our chat, guys. We have Ronaldo in our chat, guys. Please give thumbs up. Yes, Ronaldo, I'm good. I'm kidding, guys. It's just some scam or someone. Sejal, who asked me this question? SL?
Yeah, I asked.
Yes. So, you need money for 2 to 3 pairs. I think 3 pairs will come to 6 lakhs. If you don't have 6 lakhs, we can go for edge. You need only 3 lakhs for this.
விஷால் ப்ரோ சாரி,
Yes.
ஸ்பேமரா இல்ல ஒரிஜினல் பர்சன் தானா?
எனக்கு தெரியல bro.
அது நேமே டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கு, பாத்துக்கோங்க.
Okay,
யூடியூப்ல மட்டும் ப்ளே பண்ணிடாதீங்க, ஓரமா கூகுள் மீட் வச்சுக்கோங்க.
bro, Ronaldo, bro, how can I put him out? So, Sajal, this View My Trades is a YouTuber from Chennai, very big YouTuber. He's having more than 20,000 followers. Okay. And he's one of my friends. Okay. So SL, that's what. If you keep SL, you're not going to make good money. Without SL, if we take the strategy, I think we'll make more than 7 to 8% easily. Okay. So I'll just go to some other days. Okay, because yesterday and today there's no rotation. I'll go to some old places which are rotation. Presidents Kabbi and DJ Cook. Why so many people are coming, admin?
ப்ரோ அன்வான்டட் நேம் வந்து நீங்க கொடுக்காதீங்க, அக்செப்ட் கொடுக்காதீங்க. அது அப்படிதான் ஸ்பேமர்ஸ் வருவாங்க. ஃபியூச்சர்ல நீங்க முடிஞ்சா வந்து ஜூம் ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க, கூகுள் மீட் வேஸ்ட்.
Okay. So see, Shahjan, we'll have good rotation here. यहाँ पे buy किए, buy here, sell here. Okay. फिर वापस यहाँ 30 से यहाँ नीचे आया, sell here.
ப்ரோ டெனி கொடுங்க, ஏன் அக்செப்ட் கொடுத்தீங்க? டெனி தான் கொடுத்தீங்களா? ரிமூவ் கொடுத்து
remote I gave bro, இல்ல அவங்க. So Sajal say, उस दिन हमको 3-4 rotation मिल गया है. Okay, the concept behind this is if you don't give a sell, there are many days we'll have 4-5 rotations. Okay, and whatever drawdown and whatever loss we are facing, we'll keep booking profits. Book profits will keep going up. MTM जो है वही पे होगा कभी भी. So पैट ट्रेडिंग में कभी भी MTM लॉस होगा ही होगा हमेशा. So एक दो दिन में इतना रोटेशन दिया है. So like this there will be lot of rotations. So I'm telling 70-30, but you know you can take even 60-40, you can take 80-20, based on what is the risk you can take. You can use moving averages, you can use any indicator you want. Okay, since the index है इसमें movement ज़्यादा होगा instead of stocks. So that's why I prefer Nifty and Bank Nifty.
And how to handle the days having no rotation like yesterday?
Yeah, बस कुछ नहीं. मैं yesterday मैं और मिस ट्रेड लेके बैठे हैं. We are not in profit. 2000 माइनस में है. We are still waiting. 2000 माइनस भी नहीं है, अभी आ गया है. So yesterday I took it here. Okay. तो अभी 30 आ गया है, यहाँ पे बाई होगा कल का. Okay, but still, since we are in loss, we are not going to close the position. अभी जब तक 5000 प्रॉफिट आएगा, हम लोग 45,000 में शॉर्ट है. So you know how to get the price difference, right?
Yes.
Okay, so 45,000 में शॉर्ट है हम लोग. यहाँ पे गए शॉर्ट थे. So we'll wait for 50,000 something. We'll wait till here.
Okay, so you will not buy.
I won't buy. Okay, so first एक एंट्री कर लिए तो अभी उसको we have to wait for it until profit comes. Okay, अगर so I have a algo for this. So algo में क्या होगा, यहाँ पे शॉर्ट होगा, फिर यहाँ पे एक नया पोजीशन बाई होगा. Okay, एंड वापस यहाँ आते ही ये पोजीशन स्क्वायर ऑफ हो जाएगा. Okay, so you guys can plan. If you want, you can take counter entry. नहीं तो wait for a target.
Yeah, that's what I was asking कि हमें काउंटर एंट्री लेना है या जो इनिशियल एंट्री हुई है.
काउंटर एंट्री लेने वाले ले सकते हैं. Many times it will give you profit. So if you have money for 5 to 8 pairs, you can take counter entry. हमारे पास 3 पैर का पैसा है तो it's better you don't take for now. So you get some experience. So after 4-5 months you can go for this. So you can do like this. 70 के ऊपर जब 20 MA टूटेगा ना तब पैर लो. अभी 20 MA के ऊपर गया तब ले सकते हो. You can make your own calculations. So intraday में rotation चाहिए तो go for index. And if you have 4-5 lakhs, every week you can make 5,000 to 10,000 after MTM loss, I'm telling you. Okay, so if you have algo, बहुत अच्छा होगा. So algo में 2,000 you can do scalping and all. So I'll show you one of my algo trades. Just a minute, I'll share on the screen. समझ लो. See the HDFC Bank, HDFC. This is I think last year's Excel sheet. So 942 को घुसा है, 1154 I exited. So 30,000 में 30,000 price difference I entered. I exited 34,000. So I do scalping for around 4,000 5,000 bucks. So I made 3,000 after brokerage. Okay, so JSW Tata Steel I do intraday algo trade. Then a Bank Nifty, HDFC Life, ICICI Life. Then TCS Infosys. So algo I use it to book 4,000 to 5,000. Okay, so I have some 4-5 strategies built into it. So based on that, my algo takes the trade. See the book profit. So when 12,000 10,000 एक कब होगा जब next day gap up gap down में book होगा ये सब. So more than 5,000 usually it is gap up gap down next day. You or maybe trailing profit loss. See even 1,000 2,000 I'll do scalping. किस में किया 1,000 2,000? JSW Tata Steel 1,000 का scalping किया हूँ. TCS Infosys 300 का 500 का scalping. This is after brokerage. What I'm showing you. This is the gross profit, this is the brokerage, this is the net profit. So 4,000, 700, 5,000, all this intraday scalping we can do easily. So the list will keep on going. So by chance देखो, Reliance HDFC, this is my fifth pair. Okay, 4 pairs में लॉस में हूँ, 5th pair खुला है. So 5th pair का स्कैल्पिंग चलता होगा 4,000 5,000 4,000 5,000. So the list will keep going. Okay, so I'll go back to my trading view. Okay. So Sajal, you have any other pair? Let me check some pairs. If you have any other pair, please tell me. So see, now Bajaj Finance का pair देखो. This is Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv. Okay, so Bajaj Finance into lot size minus Bajaj Finserv into lot size. Bajaj Finserv is the parent company of Bajaj Finance. तो इस स्टॉक में लॉस होगा ही नहीं. इधर एक साल के अंदर आपको प्रॉफिट आना ही है. So this pair will never go in loss. Tata Steel JSW can be in loss for even 4 years, 5 years. Since Bajaj Finserv is the parent company of Bajaj Finance, इसमें लॉस दिखेगा ही नहीं. Okay. So इसमें देखो अभी टॉप में आया हुआ है. Okay. जब RSI यहाँ 70 के आसपास आएगा, we can start to watch the stock. जब 70 आएगा इसको वॉच करना है. और जिस दिन टर्न होगा 70 के ऊपर, we have to enter Bajaj Finance short, Bajaj Finserv long. So what I do is मैं alert डाल के रखता हूँ. So whenever RSI 70 comes in this pair, I get alert on this. Sorry. You have any other pair? Mr. Ramesh sir, Okay, sir told I'm in duty. Okay, sir. And next VDL देखते हैं. So VDL and JSW still वो भी अच्छा है. Please note it down. Sajal, you can see
Yes.
VDL JSW excellent pair. You entered 44,000, 40,000. Easily you can target 1,50,000. 2 lakhs profit. ये 1 to 2 months लगेगा. Easily 2 lakhs profit you can take. तो आपको ज़्यादा रिस्क लगेगा. If you think डाउन से जा सकता है तो always hedge your positions. Okay. So जितना भी डाउन जाएगा I'm ready to add more pairs. So I don't take edge for my positions. So you can buy VDL, short JSW. Buy VDL and short JSW. So ये मैं watch list में था. And another in watch list is SBI and Bank Nifty. State Bank of India and Bank Nifty. So we are almost top of 2017 से 2017 के रेशियो में हम लोग. So short SBI and buy Bank Nifty, but wait for 70 RSI. Okay, I'll take this trade today because of my experience, but you guys have to wait for 70-90 तक wait करना. Okay, so अभी ले लोगे फिर कुछ ऊपर नीचे हो गया तो you won't be able to manage. Okay, this outcome pair is also very good. So I think you took this trade now, Sajal. Outcome MPEL.
Yeah, I took the paper.
Yeah, paper trade. You'll be in profit of 10,000 something.
Yes.
Yesterday I think it went up to 22-25.
Yeah.
So अभी आया हुआ है. चलेगा, that's part and parcel. So यहाँ 70 गया, next day turn हुआ तो यहाँ पे एंट्री करना था. Okay. So this is 15 June क्या था मैं चेक करता हूँ. So if you entered that day, you'll be in profit of 22,000 अभी भी as of now. And yesterday it went up to 35-40,000.
Yes, correct.
So this is also very good pair. Since I don't know about it, I went only 2 pairs. Once I get experience, I'll play with 10 pairs, 20 pairs. Now next pair my watch list is Hdfc Airlines. You know Hdfc Airlines, I told you I have 20 pairs. Did I tell you?
Yes.
If you can put an estimate, how much profit will I be in?
No issue. No idea.
Each pair it went to 80,000 तक गया है profit. Okay. But I booked at 25-30,000 because I made 4-5 rotations. देखा, यहाँ से यहाँ पे एक rotation किया, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ rotation किया. मैं 2 rotation किया हूँ 30-35,000 का. Since these are index heavyweight and since HDFC इतना टूट गया, Reliance is at lifetime high, so बिना सोचे समझे I just entered. I show monthly chart. मैं monthly chart के हिसाब से गया. See monthly chart. So anyone will enter at this place. So I started entering at bottom and on. So definitely if you can wait for 4 to 5 months, you can look for 2 to 2.5 lakhs profit. अभी 2,000 है, यहाँ तक जाएगा 2,75,000 तक.
So at what day you entered?
See, I am entering. My plan is to enter minus 10,000. So minus 10,000 यहाँ पे. So मैं minus 10 से enter करना चालू करता हूँ. And minus 15, minus 20, minus 25, minus 30 तक I enter. Okay. And उससे नीचे गया तो भी I want to enter. So I have no problem about it. Since I know कि ये एक दिन आना ही है इसको. And my target is 2.5-3 lakhs. तो definitely अभी again once I think ISI 30 के आसपास आएगा, 40-30. So that time, I'll enter 40 pairs, 50 pairs. So there's a very bindas pair. You can intraday भी इसको 5,000 we can scalp. इतना अच्छा pair. Okay, I'll show you. Usually what I do, I'm showing you this. HDFC I entered, यहाँ पे enter किया था मैं 1,95,000, 2 lakhs के पास. And I think I made good money. Each by 60-70,000 I booked. You can see ISI turned. यहाँ पे turn किया ISI. यहाँ पे turn किया ISI. दिखा?
Yes.
Okay. तो 30 के नीचे आके जब turn किया मैं enter कर लेता हूँ.
You wait for the day close, ना? Correct.
Day close के आसपास आधा घंटा पहले कुछ भी
okay.
हो जाएगा. 30 के नीचे अभी if it is some other pair which I usually do, मैं 30 touch होने के पहले भी enter कर लेता हूँ. Okay. This HDFC and Axis अब I occasionally do. मतलब 6 महीने में एक बार आता है. Okay. अभी देखो इसका रिवर्स भी स्टार्ट होने वाला है. Okay. अभी मैं रिवर्स जा सकता हूँ क्योंकि 20 हमें टूट गया है. ऊपर एक यम पैटर्न फॉर्म हुआ है. पिछला ऐसे सपोर्ट टूटा है. इसको है क्या मैं इजीली मैं 20,000 30,000 स्कैल्प कर सकता हूँ इसको. Okay. But for very big trend, I'll wait for this RSI 70 के ऊपर. उस टाइम 35,000 कुछ होगा तो वहाँ तक तो आई हैव टू वेट बड़ा ट्रेंड के लिए. नेक्स्ट पैर कौन सा टोरेंट देखो यार 2 दिन में कहाँ से कहाँ आ गया. टोरेंट मैं लिया था मेरे को 60-80,000 तक माइनस गया था माय फर्स्ट पैर. फिर वो जो माइनस 80,000 था प्लस 80,000 में आया है. एंड उसके बाद मैं बहुत एवरेज किया. वो सब 2 lakhs प्रॉफिट सब निकाला हूँ मैं टोरेंट में. आई थिंक मैं फर्स्ट 1,40,000 के आसपास बाई किया. यहाँ पे कहीं बाई किया फर्स्ट प्राइस. सो बाई किया एक्चुअली बाई आके यहाँ पे करना था. ओके तो यहाँ पे आई एडेड मोर प्राइस. ओके सो इसके अलावा रिजल्ट्स को देखो, स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन देखो, मीन मीडियन मोड जो भी देखो. यहाँ पे जब टर्न होगा सब कुछ अपने फेवर में आ जाएगा. सो विथ माई एक्सपीरियंस आई स्टॉप लुकिंग एट स्टैटिस्टिक्स. इंस्टेड आई स्टार्टेड लुकिंग एट ट्रेडिंग द चार्ट्स. ओके सो यहाँ पे लिए होते हम लोग पक्का टिल टुडे एटलीस्ट इफ यू होल्ड 1.5 lakhs प्रॉफिट विच इज ऑलमोस्ट 50% ऑफ आवर इन्वेस्टमेंट. और ड्रॉडाउन कितना है इसका? हार्डली ड्रॉडाउन 20,000 10,000 ड्रॉडाउन था इसका. So this pair was very good. JSW crystal just broke day low. So metals and sectors coming down. Be careful. इसके बाद IOC आज बोनस अनाउंस किया. चेक किया IOC. कोई भी इसको देख के खुश हो जाएगा मगर they just announced बोनस. यहाँ से यहाँ तक 2.5 lakhs का मूव है ये मगर बोनस अनाउंस किया इसके लिए. एक कल एडजस्ट हो जाएगा. ACC अल्ट्राटेक सीमेंट एंड स्टिल वी कैन एंटर. ACC अल्ट्राटेक जब ISI 70 के आसपास आएगा वी कैन एंटर. इसका टारगेट भी यहाँ से ऑलमोस्ट 1 lakh के ऊपर है. यहाँ तक तो आ जाएगा. बट यू नीड टू वेट मैन. यू नीड टू वेट फॉर 3 to 4 months. जो भी टारगेट मैं बोलता हूँ इट इज़ फॉर टाइम. आपको एक दिन में 2 दिन में सब आने का चांस नहीं है. बिग मनी इज ओनली व्हेन यू हैव पेशेंस एंड टाइम. HDFC एंड SBI ये कुछ नहीं है. VDL इंडल को भी देख सकते हैं. सो VDL बाई एंड इंडल को शॉर्ट. ये टर्न हुआ है नीचे आया हुआ है. इट इज़ वेरी गुड टाइम टू बाई. यू कैन डू इंटरडे स्कैल्पिंग. इंटरडे के लिए 10-15 हज़ार तो ईजिली मिल जाएगा. And if you hold this, I think good target. You can go for यहाँ से 2 lakh target भी जा सकते हैं. If you want, we can go 2 lots of Indelco. You can go 2 lots of Indelco and 1 lot of VDL. Okay. तो वैसे जाओगे तो भी 1,50,000 profit we can wait. 1,50,000 profit. So VDL long 1 lot, Indelco short 2 lots. Okay, next pair. We did HDFC Bank, HDFC. Since they announced merger, I don't see any value in this. तो इसको भी साइड में रख देंगे. TCS, Infosys, there's nothing to it. RSI is at 50, so we have to wait which side. But TCS, Infosys, look at monthly chart now. It's at bottom, I think. It's at top. Okay, monthly maybe top. Axis, I say. Infosys, Wipro, yes, Infi and Wipro, I'll check now. This is Axis and ICICI, guys. This is a monthly chart. Beautiful pattern. You can easily, monthly RSI is at 35. Easily you can go for long in this pair, and your target will be 2 lakhs for this pair. 2.5 lakhs you can target for this pair. You have to wait for 6 to 9 months. 2 to 2.5 lakhs profit you can expect in this pair. 2 to 2.5 lakhs of profit. Okay, इसका डेली देखो. डेली में भी थोड़ा टर्न हुआ है. Yes, डेली 20 MA क्रॉस हुआ है. And if you want, you can we can enter this beautiful pattern as well. बहुत अच्छा pattern. Okay, Infi and Wipro. So we look at Infosys, Wipro. Okay. So Infosys, Wipro, we can enter, sir. Okay. You wait for RSI to turn, sir. The day it turns, you can enter, sir. So यहाँ पे actually 20th June itself we have an entry, but since we didn't enter, we can enter when RSI turns, sir. Ramesh sir, you keep me updated, sir. Even I'll put an alert in my system. I'll text you. I'll put an alert on RSI. Edit RSI crossing down 70 once per bar close. Okay. So when it comes down, so when it breaks 70, I get an alert, sir. Even you can track, sir. The day it crosses and closes, you can enter, sir. So Infosys, Wipro is also in Infosys short and Wipro buy. Infosys is short while Wipro is buying. Next. ACC, Ultratech Cement. We just saw. Okay. Manappuram. So Chota, we'll see monthly. Okay, monthly we are about to break 20 MA, guys. So if you guys want, you can do small scalping. We actually broke 20 MA. 0.02 say we broke. If you guys want to scalp, you can scalp for 30,000-40,000. Manappuram you have to buy and Muthoot you have to sell, guys. See this, guys. Wow. This is the monthly chart, guys. This is the daily chart. So guys, actually this pair is given multiple entries, guys, but all the entries are in loss. So I had more than 4-5 positions. Each pair went up to 2 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs minus. It was very difficult for me to take it forward. So SBI and Bank Nifty shall we enter? Yamesh sir, yes, we can enter, sir. Just give me 5 minutes, I'll again show you. So this pair, don't enter Adani Group, guys. So I'm constantly having repeated losses. So somehow I managed to do some adjustment and come out with minimal loss. But don't even go for this Adani pair. If you want to go for Adani pair, go with Edge, guys. Okay, go with Edge, and I think you'll make very good money in Edge.
So what could be the reason that this pair is not giving profit even
it is politically infused, bro. What happens is, in daily 40-50,000 up or down only it happens. It doesn't move like 5,000 10,000 मूवमेंट ऐसे ही नहीं. ड्रॉडाउन इतना बड़ा है कि कुछ एडजस्टमेंट करके भी मतलब नहीं है. So when you do adjustment, option payments are very costly because 10% move देता है Adani ports, Adani entry. They give 5%, 10% move. All the options are expensive. And a lot of drawdown and lot of fake signals have got. Okay. So हमको करना ही है तो मंथली कैंडल के हिसाब से चलो. द डे मंथली RSI टूटेगा ना, मंथली में जब टूटेगा ना तब Adani ENT short, Adani ports long. Then monthly RSI comes down, Adani ENT short and Adani port long. Okay. So with my experience, I faced lot of एक दिन minus 50,000 होगा, next day plus 50,000 होगा. 1 lakh का move देता है एक दिन में. So this pair is not even good for me. So when I want to make consistent return, इतना वो up and down मेरे को देखना नहीं है. Okay, and it is largely influenced by politics, so I want to stay out of it. Nifty Reliance भी I think RSI जब नीचे आएगा Nifty Reliance कर सकते हैं. Ramesh has asked about Bank Nifty and SBI. Okay. I'll check the ratio. MS sir, we can still wait, sir. We have a long way to go. We can go for entry, sir, but drawdown will be too big. So I think we have to practice to time better, sir. So we want to time trades better. So it's better we don't go now, sir. Wait for RSI to come 70 MS, sir. Ambuja SEC, Hdlc. Okay. Okay.
விஷா ப்ரோ யூடியூப் கமெண்ட் செக் பண்ணீங்களா?
YouTube comment check பண்ணுறோம்.
ஓகே, சரவண் சார் மெசேஜ் நிறைய பண்ணி.
What about Tech Mahindra 3 lots, Infosys 2 lots? Seven sir, good sir. I'm waiting for you if you can join us. I'll check, sir. So guys.
Good morning சரவண் சார். குட் மார்னிங் சொல்லிருக்காங்க.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. So Savanand sir is one of our pair trading. He's from Dubai. He's a very doctor, and he's having very good name in his field. Okay, so he's doing pair trading with us. So he's telling me to check Tech Mahindra, and he's telling me to check Infy. So first I'll check the ratio of Savanand sir, then I'll check lot size. Okay. Sir, super pair, sir. You can enter, sir. You can enter, sir. Exclusive pair, Sanand, sir. Did you enter, sir? Sanand, sir, we should always go with RSI, sir. So, since it's a very basic indicator, let us go with RSI. And Sajal, you can see यहाँ से टर्न हुआ 20 हमें ब्रेक दिया है. ओके, सो बट 20 हमें ब्रेक किया मगर प्राइस का मूवमेंट ही नहीं है. सो दीज टाइप ऑफ स्टॉक्स आगे वी हैव टू एंटर. So sir told me to check with lot size and multiply.
விஷால் ப்ரோ சரவண் சார் லிங்க் கேக்குறாங்க.
ஓகே ஓகே, ஜஸ்ட் a minute. நீங்க அனுப்புங்க ப்ரோ.
ஓகே ப்ரோ, ஓகே ப்ரோ. அப்ரூவ் த வெயிட்டிங்.
I'm not getting any. I didn't get anything. Sir, you can log in, sir. I also sent you invite on Gmail, sir. Sajal will wait for doctor.
No problem.
So Dr. Sir is telling he booked 1.4 lakhs in Adani Pair. Better to stay on. Savan sir, I'm sending you a picture request. Sir. Admin, did you send him?
ப்ரோ நான் சென்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
I'll check TechCam what says.
சரண் சார் செக் பண்ணுங்க, சென்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
Yes, I got his request. Hi, Savan sir, nice to have you here. Hi, Savan sir, nice to have you here.
Just a second, YouTube off பண்ணிடுறேன்.
Yes.
Okay sir, okay.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes.
loud and audible.
Okay. Hello everyone. Sajal and Ramesh and Hari bro. Good morning.
Good morning sir.
Vishal bro, உங்களுக்கு தமிழ் தெரியுமா?
No, sir. They are not from Chennai, sir.
Okay.
They are other pair-trading colleagues from other places of India, sir. So Ramesh sir is from
okay.
Hyderabad. He told me. Sajal, where are you from actually?
I'm from Haryana.
Oh, super, Sajal. 22nd July, I have an event in Delhi, Sajal. So we traders are meeting. So I'm expecting 5 to 7 of us to meet. So if you're free, you can join me at CP, Sajal. If it is
Okay.
nearby for you.
I'll try.
Yes, sir. I'll send you more information, sir. Yes, sir.
Sajal, how long you are doing the pair trading?
It's been only 1 to 2 months.
Sorry, come again?
1 or 2 months.
1 or 2 months. Okay, you are like me, I guess. Newbie. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ramesh, are you there?
Actually, he's in duty, sir. He's texting me. He's not in.
Okay.
So,
So
Ramesh,
all
sir,
newbies.
he's doing with big capital, sir. He's doing a lot of other strategies. Since last 2-3 months, full time. 80% of the capital is using for pair trading, and till now, I think he should be making good money. So, like us only, sir. He booked lot of profits. Current MTM is there for him.
Okay, yeah. That's what I have limited experience so far, but with guidance of Vishal, I'm just doing a lot of pair trading. What can I say? The pair trading is really good. Now I wanted to move next level. What I mean is, actually, you guys already know about pair trading very well and the concept behind it, and also you know the technicalities. You need to know all the kind of mean, median, mode, and Z score,
Yes,
and sorry, everything work around the mean reversion theory,
Standard
and
deviation.
sorry, standard deviation. Z score is nothing but standard deviation, which
Yes.
is 2 standard deviation, 3
Yes,
standard
into
deviation.
population data, sir.
Yeah. So you already come across all those things. When I initially went through those things, it was fascinating to learn new things actually. I always love about trading, and I have a passion to trading and learning new things. And pair trading was really amazing. I just stick to it, and I started doing. And then I realized something after having 1 month of 1.5 months of experience. I have a winning probability of quite high. In 25 trades, I could easily win 21 trades. That the remaining 4 trades take all the profit I makes in the 21 trades. That's the only thing. That's what Vishal was talking about, the hedging. I'm not. I initially thought we know that it's a market neutrality strategy, and it has got the hedge inside it because you are buying one pair, one side, and then you are selling the other side, all which are closely related. The correlation factor is there, so it's naturally it's hedged. I agree with that, but the problem is some of the pairs will give you trouble, and that trouble is too much. If you could have, if I either buy call option for the one I sold, or else buy a put option when I bought, something like that. If I hedged it, one side won't leak. Say for example, Adani Enterprise and Adani Port. Adani Port was going down. Adani Enterprise is a sum of Adani Port, Adani Green, and all these things come together under the umbrella of Adani Enterprise. So we are expecting Adani Port to do well, but the problem is Adani Port is a part of Adani Enterprise. When they are doing well, Adani Enterprise is pushed up as well, and then when the Adani Port down, and then other sectors in the Adani Green and other things are doing well. So Adani Enterprise started to going up instead of coming, and these pairs are getting correlated. It's going the other way around. It hit the first deviation, second deviation, third deviation. It was going
We are
down.
not even expecting,
It's
sir.
beyond. Yeah, but the problem is that what happened is it's pulling the mean with it. When the standard deviation goes too far, what will
Yes.
happen is it started pull the mean. It's
Yeah.
going to
So
reverse. But the
standard
problem is,
deviation 1 will become mean, sir. Then standard deviation
yes,
2 will become mean.
yes, that's what the problem is, because we are sitting in the mean, which was when we took the pair, but it's the scenario keep changing when the days pass.
Yes, sir.
That's why if the pair goes for longer and longer, sometimes even though it reverts to its mean, we are no way in getting the money back. So during those situations, if you have the hedge, then you will be fine. This is also how I don't want to close it because of the expiry. I closed it, and then I'm scared to get into it. Otherwise, I could have stayed with the pair. Then I realized after I came back, it's further worsened. Then I realized, okay, sometimes getting out and then maybe return when the things goes back. Like I'm quite interested to know the RSI, Vishal.
Yes.
Can you just tell me
Yes, sir.
how you can just tell me that?
Yes, sir. So why I'm telling RSI why, because some market has fallen. If you guys have any position, please manage it. Okay. So what I'm telling is, so as you know, even you are starting now, sir, you are looking at a lot of stats. You are looking at Z score, standard deviation, mean, median, mode, and what not in the market, sir. Okay, so even I used to look at all those things. I have an algo for it. I have A to Z for all those things, sir. But with the experience and with you know, after time I got to know when we use RSI, you know, all those things will come in our favor, sir. So instead of manually doing all those things, with experience, you know, I can tell you RSI, if it is above 70, 75, Z score will be in our favor, standard deviation will be in our favor, all the stats will be in our favor, sir. Okay. So you tell me, sir, yesterday or day before, what pair did you get, sir? Did you get TechCam and
Actually, I will tell you one of the trouble I got in the last 2 days with one of the pair. I did PFC and REC.
yes, sir.
Usually the gap will be around 10 points all the time. They are good pair and they are correlated so
Yes,
well.
sir. Yes, sir.
So I started the pair, and then it's very strange. REC started to moving up and up, and
Correct.
PFC is not closing the gap.
Correct, sir.
And then I wanted to roll over to the next month. Okay,
Yes,
there I got a big problem. If you see the REC Limited, the price is 120.95,
Correct.
and June month REC is also in the same 120.95. July it is 117.
Okay.
So if I roll over to the next month, automatically I have two pairs. So you lose almost 3 times 12, 36,000
Correct,
rupees.
sir. Correct.
So that's what my puzzle. What should you do in these tricky situations?
Usually,
Why the
I'll see the IC LTD, right? Sir, you're getting my voice?
Yeah, I got REC and PFC. Yeah.
REC and PFC.
Just check the June and July REC rate.
Sir. Yes, sir. June is 120.9 and July is 117.5.
Yeah, you know what? That's what I don't know how to capture this.
Oh, okay.
Because when I took it, Vishal, the gap was around 15.
Yes.
So when the gap increases, I increased a lot, and I was happy that it's going to fall back
Yes.
to 10, and I'll get a good chance.
Correct, sir.
But what happened is, it like I don't know. It was very strange actually. I never seen this. I have a limited experience in this.
Yes,
It is
sir.
very strange.
So usually these things happen, sir. So in this case, what you have to do is you have to take the passer, no other wrong. Okay. Thing is, it is very well telling us IC is it is going to fall next month because it is trading at a discount to current future plus trading at discount to spot also, sir. So definitely it is telling next month that this stock is going to be weak, and it is trading at very big discount, sir. It is almost 1.5% discount. So definitely we have to go for this passer. Don't think about it. There can be dividend issue or there can be dividend something. So because of that, spot price will be the current future is calculating the dividend amount, I guess, sir.
But I'm going long in PFC and short in REC, so it work against me.
Yes, sir. I know it went against, sir. But never mind, sir. When there is a big movement in the stock, always the next month future will trade at a discount, sir.
Okay.
But this is very deep discount of 1%. Usually 0.5% discount will be there.
Yeah.
So there may be a dividend announcement. People may be expecting. There can be anything, sir. Okay. So don't think about it, sir. You go for the pair. You will get the experience with it, sir.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay. So they're very good pairs, sir. So when did you get entry for this, sir? You got 17 June?
Just 3 days back
3
actually.
days back. Yes, sir. So you can see, so why I use RSI is and I don't use all the stats is, when RSI is 70, all your stats will come in our favor, sir. Okay. So you go back and look at this data, sir.
Vishal, first you tell me how to plot this actually. You have a nice blue color in the middle between 30
Yeah,
to
this is
70.
moving average, sir. So I just go to indicators. I put RSI. So this is the basic indicator. So with this we have moving average, sir. So in build they are giving moving average. So if I want, I'll keep it. If I don't want, I'll remove it, sir. So I'll change it to blue color.
Okay, got it now.
This is the moving average of RSI, sir.
Okay. So whenever it comes below 30 and above 70, then that is your entry point.
If it should come to 30, sir, and RSI should turn and close.
Okay. If it comes to 30, I have to make a U-turn or V-turn and then going up, then you are in.
Definitely, sir. Okay. So that is when you're starting, because your drawdown is very less that time. So I'll enter 30, 20, 15, 10, 9, 8, 7, whatever I say below 40 I get, I'll enter. Okay, because I know to manage my losses.
Okay.
For people viewing at YouTube, for them I'm telling, when the RSI turns, that time we have to enter. Okay, see now, sir, now it is going up. I think it will again go a little bit up, sir. Till this moving average will come more than 60, 65, sir. That time this will come down, moving average will go up. That day we have to enter, sir.
So Vishal, didn't we enter 3-4 days back when the RSI was above 17 turn?
Yes, we should definitely enter on 20th June. Okay, so we'll be in a drawdown of I think 20,000 or 15,000. So यहाँ पे enter करना ही है. Okay, so but I won't enter because my mind is telling the moving average is very down. बहुत नीचे moving average. Okay, so that's the reason I won't enter on that day. I'll wait for moving average to come. थोड़ा बाजू में होना है दोनों. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Once we keep trading, we can learn. There's no fix rule to it. मेरे को देखते ही समझ में आता है कि I have to wait for this pair. Okay, because moving average and RSI थोड़ा gap ज़्यादा है, so I'll wait for that. Okay, that's the reason I'm telling you. वो थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगा, moving average will come up. The day this will come down, moving average will go up. There'll be a divergence. That day I'll plan to enter the trend. Okay, so I can see it can come up to here also. यहाँ तक आ सकता है, 1.2 आ सकता है, you sure? Sir, Tata Steel Pile, you took a second entry, no sir? Doctor sir?
No, Vishal, I just came out. Next month I have to move it, but I haven't done it yet.
Sir,
So, do you think that it is good to enter?
sir,
Tata Steel?
you should have recovered almost your losses, sir.
Oh, it's already moved up because I just closed every position in the
When
last
you closed today,
2-3
when,
days
sir?
back.
See, sir, today's.
2-3 days back, I closed all
See
the
today's trade,
positions.
sir.
Okay.
So from yesterday's close, 2-3 days black. From there, we
Oh my
45,000 per
God.
pair.
The thing is, what I found another problem is whenever a stock that is in news,
Yeah.
then that side is better not to take because you know that the
Sir.
steel has got a
Yes,
problem
sir.
with
Servant,
the.
sir, don't see news, don't see technical, sir. When you're doing pair trading, let us not look into anything, sir. Okay. So, because if you look at news, you'll get influence, sir. Okay. So, pair trading, the main concept of pair trading is we have a edge in JSW steel, no, sir. Why to take insurance, sir?
That's right.
We have a
Yeah,
short in
you're
other
right.
sectors, sir. So if you're so scared, go with options, sir. Your max loss is defined. So this time my max loss is 35,000 only. Define your max loss and you take the trade, no, sir.
So how do you do with the pair trading? You buy call option, you
Yes, sir.
buy
So in
put
this
option.
pair, Tata Steel we are long, sir. JSW Steel we are short. So Tata Steel long, then I'll buy put option, sir. For Tata Steel, I'll buy put option. JSW
Okay.
Steel I'm short, I'll buy call option.
Or the other way around you are telling.
Yes.
No, you buy put call option for the long
Yes.
and you buy put option
No,
for
no,
the
sir.
one you are
See,
thinking about short.
Tata Steel, I am long.
You
sir.
go call.
Okay. Buy P2H.
Oh, to hedge. Okay. I got it now.
Yes,
You
sure.
again go with the future.
Yes.
And do you what sort of strike you choose at the money you're choosing or just below the out of the money?
If you want to define max loss, we can go at the money, sir. Okay.
Okay.
We can use this also to save margin, sir. So if you want to save margin, you can go 10 strikes, 5% upside, sir. So one pair usually comes to 4 lakhs, 4.5 lakhs. Tata Steel JSW. If you take edge, it will come below 2 lakhs, sir.
Okay, got it.
Okay. If you want to take edge, we can go 5-10% outside. Okay, but if you want to define max loss, we can go at the money, sir.
Okay, got it. It's a good idea, I think. There are, I think that the past that gave me a headache, or number one, I already
Adani.
mentioned Adani.
Adani,
then,
no one
this-
knows, full world, full India, pair trading people are talking about Adani. There are so many memes these people are coming up with. As
And
you told, they're not even expecting the word statistics is not even for that pair, sir. Not even for one day it is coming down, sir. So
And,
what
another-
I basically Adani ENT, my God's luck with some intraday knowledge and some sense. Adani ENT I exited, sir, and I kept Adani. I exited and I took a put option. And next day Adani ports, Adani ENT 10% jump, Adani ports 10% jump. Okay, so all my losses I recovered and came out happily, sir. But 2.5 months it has eaten my head, sir. Almost 2 lakhs loss I've seen in that price, sir. So that's the reason I'm putting my hands. Don't even go for that price, sir.
And next one, Tata Steel and JSW Steel. And then next one is Ultras Tech Cement and then
Yes.
ACC and Ambuja. I had a problem there. These
Why, sir?
four pairs.
No, sir. Ambuja and ACC I lost, sir.
Yes, I did. Yeah, around not too much
That
actually. They're
won't be
not
too
that
much,
bad.
yes. It is still there, sir. So pair trading most of the time, we'll
Yeah.
face these issues, sir.
Uh,
A pair won't even move 10, 15,000 minus 10, 15,000 plus, it will move in a swing. So 2 months, 3 months, that move will come, sir. I'll show you my Axis and ICICI. I think I took it in Jan, sir. 1 month, there was no movement in Axis and ICICI, sir.
Yeah, I have taken Axis and ICSA.
Not now, sir. But
I have taken it
you booked profit again, you
yesterday.
entered, sir. Last week, I think you
Yeah,
should
again
have
I
booked profit.
entered actually.
Yes, sir. This is only rotation, sir. So 20,000 we can keep booking, sir.
Okay. I think that I entered Axis at 643
Yes, sir.
buy and ICICI Bank sell at 721.
What is the price difference you entered, sir?
721 minus 643.
Okay.
So 21.
Fine, sir. Not bad.
78.
Yes, sir. So this pair, no, sir, almost from November till Jan first week, Jan first week, no rotation, sir. 10,000 plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. And I've built more than 30, 40 pairs, sir. I'm waiting for it to jump, not even jumping. But when it jumped, no, sir, straight, non-stop move I got, sir.
Yeah, because you notice I was looking at them. Actually, these
Yes.
pairs actually reversed. Yeah, usually Axis price is more than ICICI
Correct,
Bank
sir.
in the past, and then they came close together,
Yes.
and then they were
Came in
trading
negative,
around
sir.
40 or 50 rupees difference, and then they retract back to 80 and came back to 50.
Correct, sir.
And then again they are trying to retract.
Yes.
I'm just guessing because Axis Bank has got the mutual fund issue and everything
Correct.
going on, front running and everything. Hopefully it will pull back. So I'm comfortable with few pairs. I started
Yes.
feeling better with Infi and
Axis,
TCS,
Axis,
Bajaj
ICICI.
Finance. Yeah, Bajaj Finance and Bajaj
Bajaj Finserv,
Finserv.
excellent pair, sir.
They excellent pairs. We don't need to go anywhere.
Yes,
Bank Nifty.
Nifty, super.
Yeah, this one ICICI and Axis Bank. If you
Perfect, sir.
choose few pairs and if you're trading it, you feel more comfortable and you know when to enter extra pair,
Correct, sir.
when to come out and everything. You started having journey with few
Yes,
pairs.
sir.
I think I better restrict to few pairs
You
rather
have
than
to
go
stick,
and
sir.
explore.
As I told you, sir, pairs which
Yeah,
I like, I go
HDFC twins,
10
you told me, I
pairs.
still remember.
I got 10 pairs, 20
HDFC,
pairs, 30 pairs which I like, sir. Pairs which
yeah.
I don't like, 4 pairs, 2 pairs, 1 pair. So HDFC and Reliance I'm doing these days, sir. Monthly once I'm booking 60 to 70,000 profit, sir. Now it is trading in 2,000, sir. Minus 10,000 I'll buy.
Which one?
HDFC and Reliance.
HDFC and Reliance, you started, okay.
Yes, sir.
I got the profit because of you, that one.
Yes, sir. So below minus 10,000 I'll buy, sir. I'll wait for 10 days. Plus 30,000 will come. I'll book 40,000. Same next week again minus 10,000 will come. Again I'll book 40,000. Last 2 months I'm only booking, sir. Okay. But you should not do the other way around, sir. You should never short HDFC and go long on Reliance. Because see monthly candles, sir. I'll show you monthly. Yeah, Sajal, yes, Sajal. I'll see you soon, Sajal. No issues. This is the monthly chart, sir.
Okay. Oh,
So-
it's nice on the bottom.
Yes, sir.
It's
So only I'm
okay,
trying.
okay.
You should go long on HDFC and short on Reliance. So if you wait for 6 months now, sir, you'll get 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs profit in this price, sir.
Wow.
So we'll have a
I will
rally
go
till
for
year,
it.
sir. It will take 6 to 8 months, sir. Definitely, we are trading at 2,000. Up to 2,75,000 difference we can wait, sir.
Do you know one of the pair you recommended me and I just went on and had a great profit. One of the
one, sir?
best profit I think. Torrent Power and Power Grid. My
Super
God.
fast, sir.
Unbelievable
Yes,
pair
sir.
actually. What a short term, man.
Yes.
2 days. 90,000
Yes,
rupees.
sir.
Unbelievable.
So you look, sir, you entered at this day, sir. You
Just
entered,
2 days.
you entered at this day, sir. 26th. Okay, so it costs, whenever it costs 20 MN closes now, sir, within 1 week we'll have a good profit, sir. So 75% time will make good money in that time, sir. When we cross 20 MA.
20 EMA. Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay.
Okay. So you
And
go and
this
look
is
back,
in the
sir.
news.
Most of the time you'll find the big movement will come after we cross 20 MA. So that's the reason I stopped looking at all the stats, sir. Okay. So no news. I don't listen to news, sir. If anyone discuss any strategy, I make sure I don't listen
Stay
to
away.
them. I get confused. Okay.
Okay. And it looks nice. Vishal,
Yes, sir.
can you put another pair which
Yeah,
I
tell
like
me,
so
sir.
much that you recommended actually?
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
That is what's that? ICICI GI and HDFC
Yes, sir.
Life.
You will be in 20-25K profit now, sir.
Yes, I did. Yes.
Super bad, sir. So I told you when RSI was below 20, sir. So it was very good pair. It was looking very potentially. It was very good. So you can wait, sir. Easily another 60-70,000 you can get. If you have exited,
my
well and
God,
good, sir.
I exited with a good
So
profit.
if you have
38,000.
one pair, it is fine, sir. But if in future when we have 10 pairs, 8 pairs, so you should exit every 30,000 one pair. You exit 40,000, exit your second pair. 50,000 exit your third pair.
Okay.
So you always
But you
split up and exit.
take the entry at the same time or you add different?
Depends. I take if I want to deploy 10 pairs, 5 pairs I'll deploy today. Tomorrow, if it comes in favor, I'll deploy another 5 pairs. If it goes against me, I'll deploy 2 pairs. Sir. So all depends on how much money I have, how much risk I want to take, how much is the drawdown I can get. I should also look at that side. So overall side I'll look and I'll go, sir. Now if I'm short in the market, all my longs, I'll exhibit put options, sir. But all my shorts I won't buy call option. So Tata Steel, JSW Steel, what happened? Tata Steel I'm long, I have a put option. JSW Steel I'm short, but I don't have a call option. So in that pair I'm negative, sir. But Tata Steel, the downfall is covered with my put option.
Oh, okay. The hedge saved you.
Yeah, edge saved me. I took single side edge because I was negative on market. Okay, so that is the idea behind that.
And another one, the pair I really like is Manappuram and Muthu Finance.
Yes, sir. So Manapur Muthu you can do with 1-1 lot, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Is it open again actually, Manappuram and Muthu?
Yes, sir. 1-1 lot you can do, sir.
I haven't checked. Okay, good.
Just a minute, sir. I'll be back. சொல்லுங்க இன்னைக்கு எதுவுமே இல்லை இன்னைக்கு எதுவும் இல்லைண்ணா எதுவும் இருந்தால் நான் ஃபோன் பண்ணுறேன் கேட்டு sorry sir, important call.
No, not a problem. Vishal.
Usually I don't attend, even my dad's call I didn't attend. I have minister's call. Admin, mute admin. Mic on. Mr. Ayapkan, how are you?
Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Ayapkan, how are you? And we have Piyush with us. Savan sir, let me take into of them. Now, next we'll watch TechM and Infosys. Piyush, can you unmute and talk? Mr. Ayub Khan, what's up with you? Sir, Mr. Ramesh has told margin is high in Adani pair. Yes, margin is high because they give very big movements. The movement of that stock is very big. So that's the reason margin is very big in those stocks. Piyush and Ayub, can you guys unmute and talk? Give us a small intro.
Hello.
Yes, Piyush.
Hello.
Yes, Piyush.
Am I audible, sir?
You are very much audible, Piyush.
First of all, sir, great talking to you.
No
I
problem,
am
Piyush.
someone who is on and off of your channel.
Okay, thank you.
I'm
Piyush.
sorry about that because of my other commitments.
No problem, Piyush.
But one thing I like most about you is you have made very easy pair trading. I have not taken any real trade, but I try to find logic behind
Yes.
whenever I get time.
Yes,
so I was listening to Sarvan sir.
Okay.
I probably would have got the hang of it with you very beautifully.
Yes.
And I want to, I have a request, sir, from you.
Yes, Piyush.
Pair trading is a very vast subject, sir. Where
Yes.
should I start learning it? How to start it? How to do it? That will be most helpful
Yes,
for me
Piyush.
rather than
As you are, I'm telling you, short and simple. Lot of people are using lot of logic to it. I'm telling you,
Hmm.
those logics were good 10 years back because we didn't have any trading chart, we didn't have any software and tech. Today, trading view is
Uh-huh.
giving us all the stuff. Trading
Hmm.
view is giving us A to Z. You don't have to spend a peanut to get a premium version of trading view. You just go,
Okay.
maybe I'll take Nifty divided by Bank Nifty. You get the performance of both the stocks. You can see last 10 years
Okay.
what they did. No charting software, nothing in internet can give you this type of outlook.
Hmm.
Okay, with this chart you can put your own indicators, you can put your own entry exit rules. Okay, so don't even
Okay.
go for, yes, Excel sheet is good, stats are good, all those are good, but all those things
That is
come.
what that is what I was thinking that if Acha, I'm in market from last 10, 12 years.
Oh, good to know,
I'm more of
Piyush.
an option person.
Okay, good to know, Piyush.
Um, uh, so I really don't believe much of technicals.
Yes,
Eh, for options, they don't
yes,
doesn't work.
correct,
What work is option pricing and current nature of market for any option strategy.
correct.
Um, um, so I'm not very good at technicals, but yes, I can do that. Problem is that how to define that. Let's say right now you were talking about HDFC and Reliance.
Correct.
How you ended up on these two stocks because there are over 400 stocks in market. How you ended up on these two stocks? That is what I want to learn.
So,
Maybe I'm asking too much. Nobody tells you how you
no,
landed on.
no, it is very basic, Piyush. I usually put my money in top 7 to 10 stocks. Okay, so I put 80%,
Top 7 to 10
10
stocks
stocks.
or top 7 to 10 pairs.
Index top 7 to 10 stocks, not pairs. So I make pairs within
Okay.
those stocks: TCS, Infosys, Kotak, ICICI, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, HDFC, Reliance, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Tata Steel, JSW. So with these 10 stocks, I make pairs up and down because I'm comfortable with those stocks, and they'll always index heavyweight will always move together. Okay, so
So what
if I,
I'm inferring is
yeah,
that you will find 10 stocks and let's say you have decided Reliance to be a common stock and you will
yes.
make pair with all the 9 stocks and see which pair is
No,
performing well.
we do little small logic to it. Reliance, I pair it with Nifty. Reliance,
Uh,
I pair it with Nifty. You
how
get
you,
my,
how you end up on this deciding that you will pair
see, I
Reliance
just
with
go, I put Nifty, I put Reliance. उसका जाके previous क्या है देखता हूँ मैं. Last 2 साल कैसा है?
okay.
How did this pair work? This is 5 minutes. So this is last 2.5 years. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see there are lot of ups and downs. Okay.
Okay.
So कुछ भी pair there should be ups and downs. Then only we can make money in it. Okay.
Yes.
अगर सीधा लाइन है तो उसमें कुछ पैसा बनेगा नहीं.
हाँ बिल्कुल
So-
सही बात है फ्यूचर में आ जाए तो स्टैटिक मतलब आपकी प्रॉब्लम है
Correct, yeah. So Nifty Reliance for last 2 years I see there are lots of ups and downs. Okay. So this looks good to me. Okay. And you can see last 2 years we are at the bottom now. Okay. So what I look to, go long on this pair so that वो यहाँ तक आएगा. वो आज नहीं तो कल तक आना ही है इसको. So now I try to find logic where I can buy so that my target at this place I can reach.
that I got it that
Yes. So I use
entry
RSI
stop
to
loss
buy.
target
Yes.
entry stop loss target you define
Yes.
by technical
Correct.
but
No, I don't.
how
I
you
don't do.
will
I don't do any stop loss, Piyush. But people,
For
newcomers,
example,
I tell them to take options so that
uh-huh.
the pair trading should look good to you. Okay, if you have good margin, 25 lakhs, don't use stop loss. You will definitely make money in 3 to 4 months.
That is fine. That is something which technical will do कि यहाँ पे अंदर चलते हैं, यहाँ पे रुकते हैं, यहाँ से यहाँ पे बाहर हो जाते हैं. My problem is कि how you end up that Reliance will be very good with Nifty only.
There is small logic because Reliance is a top contributor to Nifty.
हाँ.
Okay, तो कुछ भी Reliance में बड़ा मूवमेंट है, निफ्टी में रिफ्लेक्ट होगा. Okay, and Reliance is the top company in India. Okay, उसके जैसे ही सेक्टर चलेगा. Reliance प्लस यू गो टू प्रीवियस 2 साल का हिस्ट्री ले लो. यहाँ देखो, यहाँ से ऊपर गया. We traded.
नहीं, ये ठीक है सर, ये समझ में आया मुझे.
Yeah, so the history is also telling कि this is a pair. Okay. Now example I'll put Tata Steel and Reliance. क्या होता है देखते हैं. I didn't know, I didn't try. Simply I'll put. ये देखो क्या मूवमेंट दिया आपको. Just one movement it gave in last 2-3 years.
हाँ.
Okay. तो ये movement is not typical for pair trader.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll put another stock. I'll put HDFC Bank and HDFC. ये देखो लास्ट 2 साल कितना मूवमेंट दिया. So you can see ups and down कितना है देखो. ये टॉप है, ये बॉटम है.
अच्छा, मतलब एक बेसिक क्राइटेरिया ये भी हो सकता है कि लेट से आपने, फॉर एग्जांपल मैं अपने लिए मतलब डिसाइड करने के लिए सोच रहा हूँ, तो 10 आपने स्टॉक्स ले लिए, 2 आपने इंडेक्स ले लिए, तो टोटल आपके पास 12 हो गए स्क्रिप्ट्स. उसमें आपने ये चेक कर लिया कि लेट से रिलायंस को हमने बाकी के 11 के साथ पेयर कर दिया, और उसमें से सबसे अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किसका है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू निफ्टी विल बी much better stock या much better script should I say with Reliance.
Yes.
And this you have got it via experience, so you don't look for other stocks or other pairs.
Experience is one part, but you can see the chart and decide. अभी आपके सामने मैं रखा हूँ, तो इसको देख के डिसाइड करना है. So that is the work of a trader. Okay, इसको देख के you should know कि this is a pair trading. It is a good pair for pair trading. Because I have so many rotations, each month it is giving me rotations. अगर मैं बाई चांस यहाँ पे लॉन्ग गया तो मेरे को 3-4 महीने में आ गया. यहाँ पे लॉन्ग गया तो 2 महीने में आ गया. Okay, अभी आई एम डूइंग HDFC एंड रिलायंस. आप इसको देखो.
Yes.
ये देखो, सिंगल साइड इट इज कमिंग डाउन. दिस इज नॉट अ पायर एक्चुअली. रोटेशन है मगर डाउन साइड रोटेशन है. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, but this pair I'm buying because for another reason. Monthly में देखो, see the monthly chart. Monthly में you can see कितना सपोर्ट है. 2005 से सपोर्ट है.
Exactly.
Okay. So this is with experience, you know, weekly देखो, monthly देखो. HDFC and Reliance, they are top sectors. इंडिया के टॉप कंपनी है. निफ्टी के साथ these two will move. Okay. So that's the reason, you know, using monthly I'm going long on the stock. मैं यहाँ तक तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक तो फर्स्ट टारगेट है. This is almost 3 to 4 lakhs profit in one pair. और इसका डाउन साइड कितना है? 40,000 ही है.
Okay.
Out time it takes 6 to 9 months.
Okay.
So अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट 2.5 lakhs है, 9 months में डबल होने वाला है. डाउन साइड 20% भी नहीं है. तो यू नो, तो ये तो आज मुझ के मैं तो 20 पैर 50 पैर 100 पैर से जाता हूँ. मेनी टाइम्स आई हैव टोल्ड 20 पैर 25 पैर मेरा पोजीशन ओपन होते हैं इसमें.
अच्छा.
मैं अभी तक 2-3 बार रोटेशन कर लिया मैंने.
You are absolutely correct on this part that return अगर थोड़ा सा अपना टेन्योर लंबा हो
Correct.
एक साल का हो तो बहुत है. And I have tried on paper trading.
Yes.
अगर हम इसमें ऑप्शन इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे तो बहुत कम रिटर्न,
Correct.
सॉरी बहुत कम मार्जिन है, रिटर्न्स और अच्छे हैं.
बहुत ज्यादा.
लेकिन वही है कि
1 मंथ में क्लोज हुआ तो ही वो ऑप्शन के साथ मजा है. अगर 1 मंथ के ऊपर चला गया तो ऑप्शन 2 महीने का प्रीमियम देके फिर क्या मतलब,
फिर क्या फायदा.
Okay.
That I totally agree.
So with experience you know when to go with option, when not to go with option. So right now go with option.
I am an out and out option trader, so I am always gonna go with options. मेरा जान निकलता है अगर मेरा stop loss मुझे कटवाना पड़ जाए तो.
So I don't even give stop loss. I'm always full margin डालता हूँ, full रखता हूँ. मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत लगता है तो मैं सिंगल से, अभी मार्केट डाउन है तो और मैं लॉन्ग पोजीशन उसका पुट लेके छोड़ दूंगा मैं. Okay, so I do little bit of management with you know my 7th or 8th sense you can call it. So this is one thing. So Savanand sir has told one more bit. Doctor sir, so Savanand sir, you had I gave an intro. He's a doctor from Dubai. So he's a
great.
He's a very well known doctor. He can put anyone to sleep. But sir, please tell
if I put anyone to sleep, then I'll be in jail. I'll put only people who need sleep for a surgery.
So he's anesthesia doctor. What do you spell it, sir?
Anesthesiologist.
Yes, correct, sir. So,
Okay.
so he's doing pair training for 2 months and he was option seller. Somehow I dragged him inside pair trading and he started to like this journey. But very soon I think he's going to master me also.
Hello Piyush, this is Dr. Sarma. Actually, one correction what Vishal said, he didn't pull me. Actually, I got inspired by Vishal actually, and I guess
I'm also starting following his channel from the start. And again, I get busy in other things, and that is probably my fault that I didn't connect it more to him rather than anything which Vishal had.
And in my opinion, I have a limited experience. Already Vishal told a lot of things about it. But with limited experience, I want to add few of the things. I actually like, what to say, you asked about how do you choose a pair.
Yes.
Isn't it? That's what you asked actually. I feel like somewhat it is better than choosing a stock. In stock, if you see the stock exchange, you have 10,000 stocks. You don't know which one to choose. But in pair trading, we are only concentrate on the futures and options derivatives, the stocks which has got derivatives. So obviously, it is only 200 at the moment. So plus or minus 10 usually comes and goes. So we are going to go in only in 200 stocks only. We are going to concentrate. And the thing is, beauty is you can correlate with each other. You can make more than 10,000 pairs among them. That is the beauty. And the thing is, like, you don't need to know everything. Like in option seller or something, they forget about technicals most of the time and they don't bother about it. They always looked into the premium because the premium has everything in it. Delta, Vega, Gamma, Theta, everything in it. So we don't
I don't even go for these weeks also. I have 5-6 strategies which I have find over time. Basically they are more of arbitrary natures. Whenever a certain kind of condition will occur in market, I will enter profit or loss. That is a different thing. ऐसे करके कुछ मेरा है. Problem from my side is that I am not very organized. Markets are not my primary source of income. It is just that I know these things and I get into it.
Vishal bro,
Yes, sir.
can I share my screen if you don't mind?
Please do, sir. I'll just close. Thank you, sir. Please.
By the way, now you're feeling good, Vishal sir. Okay.
Yes, I'm doing good. Actually, I'm taking a lot of stress these days. So I have non-stop work day and night. So I'm still.
And this market is your is
Can you
primary
see
what
my
you
screen?
So, Piyush,
listen
voice is
from.
echoing. Yes, doctor, sir, we can see your screen.
Okay.
Piyush, we'll get back. We'll
Piyush,
finish
can you
this
see
and.
the Piyush?
Sir.
Hello? Are you watching the
Hello.
screen that I'm just
Yes, I'm
sharing?
able to watch.
Yeah, actually, like initially, Vishal only told me about the Excel sheet, how you spread it, and it is very useful actually. You know exactly which pair is giving you benefit and which pair is really giving you trouble. And also, like, I'm just only one and a half months. Look at that, I'm almost done 26 pair trading so far. And then I can pick up the lot of the trouble I wanted to stay away, and then the one I feel like lot comfortable I wanted to repeat. I almost repeated Axis and ICICI 3 times, and then TCS Infi 2 times. So you can see that you started following few of the pair closely, which is giving you a profit, and also more you travel with them, it is like how to say tame. Okay, it's like
Okay.
taming an animal. Basically, like you started comfortable. You don't even. I think that when I first discussed with Vishal was not seeing the standard deviation. He knows what is the price. I tell you, that's what he says. Tell me which entry, how much you enter. I'll tell you whether it's good or not. So it will when the time progress, when we get experience, we know which is the right time to the price itself will tell us. Oh, this is the right time. This is the right gap to enter something. And also these tools will definitely help us to improve like RSI, what he said just now, and other things. So when you take 3 or 4 times a trade, and then you will start watching about it every day, isn't it? So you know the everyday movement, and then next time when you re-enter that pair, you feel lot comfortable in entering that.
Okay.
So I feel like being organized is the better way to self-analyze us and that
That is something
improve
which
us
I
in long
lacked
term.
from start. One thing is for sure that what Vishal ji is conveying that most of the stats part is taken care by the softwares nowadays. So we really don't have to kind of rediscover the wheel. If you put technicals on the pair trade in itself has a nature of hedge because one will be in profit and another will be in loss. And if you have a hedge and if you can plant a chart of it, then probability of going wrong will be very, very, very thin. That I can understand, but still I have to organize it. And Sarvan sir, I'll try being in touch with you and Vishal sir. I'll show what I've done, what I've not done. Maybe you both of you can correct me if time permits you.
Yes,
That will
Of
please,
be
course,
great.
always.
yes, Vishal is always here. Vishal has started the channel as well to help all of
Yes.
them. And then I'm looking forward. I wanted a question to Vishal actually.
Yes, sir, Saman, sir.
Vishal, what is your long-term agenda? What is your plan? It's very difficult for me to find out. What is exactly your vision?
So first thing is people are losing money, sir. Okay. So the day I entered, it's been 5 to 6 years. Not even a single rupee I have left. I have only collected money from the market. Let it be the downfall in doing COVID or upside. Okay, that is one reason, sir. I want people to take up pair trading, sir. So hardly I find any people in India doing it full time, sir. Still today people are doing pair trading with them. Sound sir, you are doing option selling. We have MS sir is doing option selling. We have some people who do their second. They have second strategy, third strategy. Okay, so over time people don't know there's a big golden value in this. Okay, so with time you can make very good money, sir. Now Tata Steel by JSW Steel by you are in loss, sound sir. Okay,
Yes,
but I had a Tata Steel put option. That is my
mm, mm, mm,
experience. Okay,
mm,
so
mm.
I'm not even making loss. There's no drawdown for me itself, sir. I'm only constantly, consistently making some money. Okay, some months it can be down to 4-5%, but most of the month more than 10% without any drawdown, without any headache, we are making. Okay,
So you are saying that with experience you are generating a profit of 15% per month.
Without experience, you can make 8 to 10%, Piyush. Okay, with experience, you can make 20-25%.
Okay,
So,
and
take
on a big
Savanand, sir, till now, you sir, you have booked 4-5 lakhs.
Yes,
Okay,
that's right.
what is the current MTM, Savanand, sir? It will be 2 lakhs minus 2.5 lakh minus something.
Yeah, just a second. I'll share the.
Please do share, sir, once more. So, Savanand, sir, what did you learn? Next time we are not entering Adani pair.
Yes, I'm not. I have a lot of learning lessons.
Yes. So that 1.5 lakh loss you will not make next time, sir. After this loss also you are in profit. Okay, but next time you will not enter Adani pair. So you will not make this loss again. So this is the experience you are getting, sir.
Okay.
In 6 months, you know which pair to go, which one to go 4 times, which one to go 1 time.
Can you see my?
Yes, sir. We can see, sir.
Yes.
See, I have a lot of learning lesson in it in such a short period, and the thing is, you can see the profit here. Okay, so
all the green ones are profit and all the
and the red one is the one that is you can see the profit of 1,14,108. This is all because of the loss that is happened here.
Okay, and one more question, Sevan sir. You have booked all these losses, or you are still sitting with
I
it?
booked all the losses here. It's almost everything because I squared of the June month is finishing, isn't it?
Okay.
So I squared everything, and then because of that only I lost. Almost it will be in a 3 lakhs something. So it was in 3 lakhs.
This sheet is for June month total, or you have done it for 3
I started. You can see that I started May month middle.
May 20th,
May month
17th,
middle.
Yeah, 17th was the first day I was doing that, and then the thing is overall the thing is the good profit are taken by only 3 pairs. One is Tata Steel and JSW Steel, Adani Port and Adani Enterprise.
Sevan sir, can we shift that sheet? Can we shift that sheet on the M2M sheet which you were showing earlier?
It's here.
Okay. What I'm trying to get is that we have, let's say, had 30 trading sessions, almost. And still, what I'm can track is that 20% trades are in loss and rest 80% are in profit. And Vishal sir is saying that if you have experience, you won't get into these 20%, or you will have patience so that you can take these 20% also in profit out.
Yes, Piyush. So Savanand sir now knows he should not enter Adani pair, he should not enter Tata Steel pair. Okay.
Yes, I wanted to tell what are the lessons I learned.
Yes,
good lessons. Number one is you need to know the certain paths you should be staying away, then you are not comfortable, and then repeat the path what you are comfortable. Don't lift them. Once you book the profit, don't forget about the path. Because it is a continuous money. You just started, even though you come out of the path, you need to track them. Okay, so you have a better entry. And second important thing is, if you have a number of days, if it's a number of days I held these positions, can you see the P column?
Yes.
So the shorter the period, the outcome will be better. If you get dragging long and long, it's very difficult to turn the corner. In those situations, if you are doing more than 5-6 days and it started going out of the way, it's better to hedge the position. And then if you come to neutral as well, that's fine. Because the probability of winning is high. In that case, we have to look into the situation where we can reduce the bigger loss. Then overall you can come up with good profit. So my next time my strategy will be already I just chose few pairs which are good pairs, and I want to stick on this pairs. I'm not going to explore something new or
You can
something.
increase your lot
I already
sizes.
got. Huh?
Now
Yeah,
this
that's
is
what I'm
entry, you
going
can
to say.
do 4
So whatever the
lots.
pair which is successful, you just increase the lot size.
Exactly.
You don't need to search for a new pair. And I still remember Vishal was telling in the beginning time, he had a good time with HDFC pairs, HDFC pins. And he told that he made a large amount of money through that pair. It's already gone actually, that pair.
Yes.
So similar kind of thing. If you are familiarized and if you are happy with certain pair, just stick on with them and increase the numbers. It's just a multiplication. In one side you can get the numbers up. That's it. So you don't need to keep on exploring and find out which pair is not good, which pair is good. We are not here for that. The research is over.
Okay.
So Piyush,
Find a friend. It is not about my
That was the
duty
primary
to
concern
find
for
out
me,
the
that how we
community.
shall end up with, the Reliance and HDFC, how he ends up on that. So one solution which Vishal sir has provided is he just find out 10 stocks and 2 indexes and try
yes.
pairing everything with every other script. You will find something very good. I think that I can start with this, and execution part. I'm really scared with buying one delta. I think I'm going to go with Reds, and let's see how it pans out.
Yes. So Sarnan sir, so now you see after making mistakes also you made profit. So that's the beauty
Yes.
of pair trading. So we make mistakes, but we are still ending up with profits. Okay.
Acha,
That's what
Vishal sir,
Vishal.
one more
The thing
question.
is,
Yes, Piyush.
Sarvan sir, please continue. Please continue.
the only one
You,
thing
so
to
I'm
add on
asking.
to what Vishal said,
Yes.
usually if you find a new strategy, you start with a paper trading and then you do with a small quantity and then you go with the high quantity. But I didn't do any paper trading. I started straight away. The reason is it is a
Wait,
hedged position.
I am
Yes.
doing
It
it
is a
for last
market
3 months.
neutrality strategy. So it has got lot of inbuilt structure in it.
Yes.
So it is like having two wheels on either side and started learning the cycling.
Yes.
So I
So
feel
when we
somewhat
discuss also
protected.
we can we can know this is a safe strategy. So people will tell our side this that and all. But when we discuss about pair trading, people will show interest first day itself, sir. Okay, we can do
Yes.
pair trading, one long, one short. It looks very good. This that
If
and
you
all.
look into the loss that I made also, like the Tata Steel and JSW Steel, actually I entered in thousands and then it went to 780 something like that. If
Okay.
I went blind or naked with some other option strategy, I could end up in a huge loss. Okay, because of the pair trading, I managed to cut down to 1 lakh, which I'm simply happy. But even I can improve on it. That is the beauty. It
Yes,
is
sir,
not just
answer.
like
So,
this is the best.
so you have booked a loss, sir, but still you have to track that stock, sir. Because Tata Steel
Yeah.
JSW you should not book. Okay, because
Okay.
history is telling it will go up. Okay, if at all you wanted to book, you can buy options and you can define your max loss, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
got it.
so no problem. You are booked for now, sir. But Tata Steel buy we can continue. Adani buy we can leave it out, sir, because
Yes.
there is if we go for edge also, edge is trading at very premium, sir. 3% option premium we are giving
Yes,
for Adani buy.
that's right.
We cannot even make money and come out, sir. 3% interest if you take money from private vendors, you cannot make money, sir.
True.
So only that pair and big MTM moments, sir. 50,000 plus same day night 50 minus again next day minus 1 lakh, then same night plus 1 lakh. These types of movement stocks we should avoid, sir.
True.
Okay.
Piyush, you are trying to say something. Please
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead.
Please.
One more question, sir. How actively you have to manage in practicality your trade during market hours? Vishal sir is still sitting constantly in front of screen. That is no doubt that he is going to get it done in a physics.
Piyush, I'll add one more. I do sit in my screen, but I have my own algo. So I'm managing some prop desk and I'm managing some accounts. So most of my work, 80% is taken by algo. But as you know, we cannot sit quiet. We need to do some entry. So उसके लिए I want also when you have an algo, you need your team. You want everything set. कुछ भी problem हो गया, I should jump in and I should get it done.
Okay.
So,
And even let's say if somebody is not doing with the algo, so 1 hour is sufficient.
I don't have an algo period, and I'm not a full-time trader.
he's a doctor,
And
Piyush.
the
You
thing
don't know
is,
his
the beauty
emergencies.
is, it has got the inside heads and everything. You don't need to monitor frequently. If it gives a profit, it will give a profit the whole day. It is not like I see the changes that happens in everyday basis rather than the intraday swing. The intraday swing is not that big. And then if you are not looking into maximize your profit, like if Vishal is booking 12,000, I'll book 9,000. I'm happy with that as long as I book the profit. So I don't see the things very closely, but still you can make decent amount of money.
Correct, Saurabh.
That is
Yes, Piyush, and
my,
also
my
yes,
sir,
Piyush.
बोलिए.
So also I'm coming up with a algo for retail traders like doctors, like you and lot of people. Thing is, I'll give the power. You can decide your entry and exit. So people like Doctor Sir, he's going to have a smooth life. He just enter and he go and sleep. He can go and check out all his patients and stuff. So I'm making one algo exclusively for Doctor Sir.
That's what I asked you about the vision actually. What are you planning? What is the thing?
I'm making algo, sir, but as I told you, there are a lot of learnings you need to know before you use my algo. So I'm not the one going to give a basic algo and make a fool out of people. So I'm going to give a advanced, sophisticated algo, sir. Okay, but if you have to use that algo, you should know what is pair trading. You should know what is your entry price, exit price. So you should know all the stuff. Based on that only, the algo is going to take the trade. Okay, I'm not giving something like Contment also, sir. Contment, I'm giving a dedicated algo where you should put it in your server and run it, sir. So there's not going to be any slippages. There's not going to be any drama out of it. But if you use other softwares like Contman and TradeTon, there's a lot of slippages, sir. At the end of the day, you're not going to make money. In Contman, it will show you're taking entry at 200 rupees option, but in a trading software, it will be 210, 211, sir.
Exactly. Yeah.
So these all are bullshit softwares. All these are bullshit software. I'm giving a dedicated software. So only it is taking time to build, sir. Dedicated software to be installed in your server and you can manage it and do all the work, sir. So my whole plan is that.
I'm looking forward to it, Vishal, seriously.
Sir, I'm working on it.
Please consider me also when you're planning.
I'm coming. My whole plan is this only, because this pair trading, there's a very big power. No YouTuber is doing this work. No guy in India is doing pair trading work.
अरे सर इसमें एक्सपीरियंस लगता है, इसमें टेक्निकलिटी लगती है. YouTube is something like all about hits and views.
इसमें margin लगता है. So people they usually don't have 10-15 lakhs. तो इसके लिए no one wants to explore this field. तो इसमें क्या 8 to 9 lakhs minimum you need to get.
नहीं सर, मैंने एक चीज देखा है, लोग ना मतलब 5 लाख लॉस कर देंगे, वो उनको बहुत अच्छा
मतलब पैसा नहीं लाएंगे.
हाँ, लेकिन सीखने में तो पैसा नहीं देना है ना.
Yes. So they don't want to put money in their trading account, but every month they're making 50,000 loss, 1 lakh loss.
That is good for them.
So YouTube, solely people like 10,000 में 5,000 निकालो, 10,000 में 10,000 निकालो. इसके लिए YouTube उसके लिए famous हो गया. But there is no good content.
Last 3 months, I am getting a return of less than 2.5%. I'm just surviving because I am a option trader. So मेरे लिए 3-4 महीना लास्ट का अच्छा नहीं गया, and I have no shame in admitting it.
Correct.
लेकिन अब अभी किसी YouTube पे देखोगे तो आपको वो 500% से कम का रिटर्न नहीं दिखाएंगे.
Correct. Yes, Doctor Sir, we'll see this one, sir. TechCam and I just forgot.
Yeah.
I'll put TechCam and this one. So TechM and Infosys, sir. Very good price. I just checked a while ago. Okay. So this is monthly candles. Monthly we had support, sir. So don't even have to worry. And daily also very good price, sir. We just broke 20 MA. So yesterday was a good. Yesterday was a very good time to enter, sir. So within I think 1 week or 10 days, I think you will be making 20-25,000, sir, per pair.
Superb.
Okay.
Superb.
If you
What
have,
is the margin? Because we are doing the cash neutrality,
yes.
we have to do 3:2.
No, sir.
And
You
how
can do
much
1 panel, sir.
Yeah.
So what is the TechM lot size is 600. I just see
600. That one is 300. TechM is no.
Yeah,
It is
600.
600. Yeah.
Yes. So you can do one lot, no, sir. Because 1,60,000 is only the difference.
Oh, okay.
So if the difference between the price more than 2.5 lakhs, you can go for 2 lots and 1 lot. But if your difference is less than 2 lakhs, I don't think you have to go, sir. Instead, you went 3 lots of TechM and 2 lots of Infino, sir.
Yeah, that's what
You go and add 1 lot short of Infosys, sir. So you'll have 3 pairs now. You get my point?
Okay.
So you go on 1 pair, sir. You don't have to maintain cash neutrality, sir. Because that difference only we are going to capture, sir. If you are going to go exact lot, you won't capture that difference.
Okay, sir. Got it.
So if you want, you can add 1 more lot of Infosys shorts, sir. So you'll have 3 pairs of TechM and Infi, sir. So look at that for once, sir. Anything else, guys?
I'm going to go and do the expiry day trading. Okay.
Yeah.
Gamma effect.
Gamma effect. Yeah.
எல்லாரும் ஹிந்தில இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுறீங்க
Yes,
எனக்கு
sir. I'm looking forward to it, sir.
And
Next month you should have 90% of profitable trades, sir. Okay, so
thank you.
July month.
I have a conference.
Yeah, this is our target, sir. This month I think 65% you have win ratio. Next month 90% win ratio you need to have, sir. Then
Thank
by
you so
August
much,
you will have
sir.
100% win ratio, sir. So
Thank you
I'm
so
going
much.
with 100% win ratio, sir.
Okay, let's see.
So by August
Thank
you
you.
know which pair to enter multiple times, which pair to enter one. So next time
Yes, that's
TCS
right.
will enter 4 pairs, sir, but Tata Steel only once will enter.
Yeah.
So that you have learnt now, sir. So by next month, you'll excel that part also.
Thank
Okay,
you. Right.
Yes.
Sorry, Sarvan sir, if you have any engagements, you can leave. I want to ask one more question to Vishal sir.
Yes, Piyush.
Vishal sir, I came up with a one term that is relative strength ranking system. Is it worthwhile doing it or not?
Come again, which form?
Relative strength ranking system.
Okay.
Which is like you have an index which is Nifty, you have 9 other index like healthcare, like energy, like something. So what they do is they try to find out pair within the same sector. Like you have taken an example of Infi and TCS. They belong to IT sector. Is it worthwhile doing that, or
You should always do same sector, Piyush. I do cross sector because of my exposure. Okay. So if I do cross sector, समझ लो I do 10 pairs. अभी TCS Infosys करना है तो I do 100 pairs. Same sector उसमें drawdown बहुत कम है. Hardly 1 pair 10 to 12,000 drawdown होगा. If you do
मतलब आप अपना क्वांटिटी बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ा देते हैं.
Yes. Same sector only you should start with. As a starter, same sector you should start because drawdown बहुत कम होगा. 10,000, 15,000 के ऊपर नहीं होगा. Because sector will move together. Only one date will move opposite. बाकी सब दिन साथ चलेगा. Okay. So always go with same sector. तो उसमें ही पैसा बनेगा. उसमें पैसा बना है. Okay. But I'm going kiosk sector, मगर kiosk sector I go for monthly candles. मैं monthly candle के हिसाब से trade लेता हूँ kiosk sector.
Okay, that is what I thought. You are pairing HDFC with Reliance.
Yes.
So how you are doing it?
As I showed you, I'm doing on monthly candle. HDFC Reliance. So monthly में 15 साल का support है.
Okay, 15 साल.
हाँ, देखो 2005 का support है यहाँ पे.
हाँ.
2000 का support है नीचे, यहाँ पे 2005 का support है.
Exactly.
2001 दिसंबर का support है. I'm so sorry. Okay. और इसमें थोड़ा लॉजिक भी है. HDFC पीटा हुआ ऊपर से है, रिलायंस लाइफ टाइम हाई के आसपास है. So everything is in our favor. अभी पैसा, if I want to make big money this year, ये पैर लेके I leave it for 6 to 8 months. So as you keep, अभी मेरे को 50,000 प्रॉफिट आया है, out of my 50 पैस 10 पैस निकाल दूंगा. जब थोड़ा नीचे आएगा तब इंटर करूंगा. 1 लाख प्रॉफिट हुआ 20 पैस निकाल दूंगा. जब नीचे आएगा, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली सीधा लाइन तो ऊपर जाने वाला नहीं है. It has to go up and down. So I'll enter 10 pass, exit 5, enter 10, 15, exit. So I'll keep doing rotations within that entry. But my target is upside. पक्का मैं यहाँ तक तो आएगा. 6 महीना लगने दो, 1 साल लगने दो, 2 साल लगने दो, 5 साल लगने दो. We have to keep doing rotations in this pair because support तो हो गया अभी के लिए.
अच्छा, that is why you were saying that in whatever pair you are profitable, don't just leave it.
Don't keep on. When a trade is profitable, उसको option लेके edge करो. उसको चलने दो, 1 महीना चलने दो.
Okay.
You will make big money that day only. You will make big money.
Okay. I'll come back to you, sir, whenever.
Definitely, Piyush. Definitely. Even this one, this will be the on YouTube video. All this information, and like this weekly once, I want to conduct a Zoom, for pair trading. So people can come and they can tell what trades they have taken. Like Dr. Sir has told, he has taken all those trades. इनका ये loss है, इनका ये है. तो ये सब हम लोग, when we discuss, we can learn with each other. Okay.
That will be great.
जो यही idea है Zoom को लेके आने के लिए, YouTube लेके आने के लिए. You can go back and do all your homework also.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Since you have people from large diversification and geopolitical, I have a lot of my colleagues from Delhi and Chennai. So because Delhi I worked at Mumbai, but I have a big group of traders in Chennai. Okay, so मगर इनका local language इसको समझ में नहीं आने वाला है. So that's the reason I want to maintain it English में लेके जाना है थोड़ा बहुत. Okay, so
Not a problem.
वही idea है इसके.
I am from Varanasi.
Varanasi, oh, good place, man. Beautiful place. Yeah, Chennai में भी people are dying to visit those places. Very good.
Yeah.
So 22nd July, Delhi, I have a stock traders meetup. Okay.
That will be great.
Okay, if at all possible, I'm not forcing you. There's nothing to it. I just want people, जब मिलेंगे ना bonding ज़्यादा होता है. That is the reason. That is the reason I want to meet people. जिनको हम जानते हैं उनको मिलने में खुशी अलग होती है. Okay, so I'm scheduled it for 22nd July at Delhi at CP. Okay, it is a center place in Delhi. Metro लेके कोई भी आ सकता है. So I'll update all the details in YouTube by this weekend. Okay.
Sure.
Also, I have to book my tickets before I update the meetup. So by today, I'll book my tickets, and उसके बाद I'll update my meetup. So if free, you can definitely join. I don't want to force. It's not a compulsion.
No.
Okay, it's your personal choice.
That is because person to person अगर आप मिलेंगे ना by face तो बहुत सारे doubts clear होते हैं.
Doubts clear होते हैं, bond अलग होता है. कितना भी हो डिजिटल जानते हो ठीक है. जब when you meet in person, I organize my meetup at Bangalore, Bombay, Delhi. So I 3-6 महीने में एक meetup रखता हूँ. I want to meet people.
Great.
Okay.
Great.
यही प्लान है अभी के लिए. I'll update you all the details on my YouTube channel. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you, Piyush. I think I'm going to end this live for now. I have some positions अभी के लिए. So I'll go there. तो देखता हूँ if possible I'll come by next week again.
Okay.
Okay, Piyush, see you.
Thanks a lot.
Mohan,
Nice talking
bye
to you.
Mohan. You have any doubt, Mohan else?
நான் நேர்லயே வந்து கேட்கறேன்.
வாங்க brother, I'm waiting for you.
ஈவினிங் 3 மணிக்கு மேல பேசுவோம்.
Yes, morning talk.
நேர்ல.
பேசலாம் bro. View my days admin, nice to have you here.
அட்மின் அங்க பிஸியா இருக்கு.
இங்க மியூட் பண்ணி அங்க போயிட்டாங்க.
இங்க லாகின் பண்ணிட்டாங்க இருக்கு. சரி ஓகே.
Yes, and I have a comment on YouTube. Pair trading, we need to select good pair. Then pair correct support area fine. Buy second one, need to sell same time. Is it correct? Yes, Arjun. It is very correct, Arjun. But I want you to come on Zoom and ask these doubts. I am not good at explaining. If you come and look at my trading view chat, you will be able to understand. Please don't ask question on YouTube. I cannot explain and you cannot understand properly. So you can join me by next week, Arjun. And guys who are watching in YouTube, I'll join you guys by next week. So I'm ending my YouTube live now. Piyush, nice to have you here. I'm so sorry I have to send you out. But
Nothing
I
for
think if we take it for very long, people will think it is a very big video. Aur koi dekhega bhi nahi. And I want to make this short and I have some positions to manage. So I'll go right now.
Anything will come up in my mind, I'll ask you.
Definitely, I'm always available on TradingView. Yes, trading, I'm sorry. So definitely I'll see you guys soon. Bye Piyush. Bye guys. Yes. So people watching on YouTube, please give a like, and if you have any doubt, you can contact me on Telegram. Also, I have some positions, I should leave now. And please give a like and please share to all your friends. It gives me some pump